Hello everyone, welcome to see my video again. Yes, today I want to show how to sharing about how to change language on Microsoft Store in Windows 10 on 2021 years. Okay, go to now go to see my practice at my computer. Okay, before I go to check my Microsoft Store in Windows 10. Okay everyone, now Microsoft Store is language Cambodian language, but I want to change Cambodian language to English United States language. Okay, go to see my practice now. Okay, go to see my practice together. Okay, I go to language on taskbar and then I go to click language preference. Okay, now I want to change English United States up to Khmer language. Okay, I click on English language and I change up to. Okay, now I finish for change and then I go to check Microsoft Store again. Okay everyone, now I done for change my language in Microsoft Store. Okay, thank you for watching my video and thank you for subscribe my channel if you want to see more video about me. Okay, bye bye. See you later. See you continue for my video.